Okay, doing a project here, and obviously it's a holiday weekend here, so the stars aren't here, but they're going to come back tomorrow. But we're doing a Voyage Mesa, and you see these little fun steps here. And actually, our installer Nick came up with this. Instead of putting concrete here, we came up with this drop-down step, all Voyage Mesa. Great idea, Nick. And you can see how we have the clip systems here and holding everything down, so it actually doesn't screw through the actual composite. It goes through a clip system, and then we have the joist tape that screws through and helps seal it up. This is going to be a pretty fun project here. And obviously with the deck, the customers just put in a sunsetter. It's a retractable motorized, like a $6,500 project there they did. Obviously we didn't do that, but it's going to be a lot of fun. So we got the stairs going to be dropping down, turning, and coming out next to the landing here, or the our sunroom, and going to come down, just make an immediate right past the landing. This would be absolutely gorgeous when it's all done. I'll come back here and do another follow-up video.